Horses out, we have Alamid. Pass to begin, Shining Gold in second, Melody Magic, Wild Wind, Sing a Song, Biodata, and I Say Dragon, into the turn they go. We have Alamid by about 3 lengths now. Moving up now to take second is Melody Magic, Shining Gold in third, Wild Wind, Biodata comes next, Sing a Song, and I Say Dragon, they swing into the back. Alamid by about 3 lengths, Melody Magic in second, Shining Gold in third, Wild Wind, and racing in fifth, Biodata, Sing a Song, and I Say Dragon. And it's still Alamid by about 4 lengths. Melody Magic remains in second, then in third, Wild Wind. Danori inside, Shining Gold, Biodata. Together is I Say Dragon. Alamid by about 7 lengths now. Melody Magic in second, Wild Wind. Moving up, I Say Dragon, Biodata. As they come down at the last 200, Alamid by about 8 lengths. Biodata now moving up to take second, then on the outside is I Say Dragon. Last 75 meters, we have Alamid by about 8 lengths, and finally Alamid, Biodata, I Say Dragon, Shining Gold, Close, Wild Wind, Sing a Song, and Melody Magic.